Welcome back to another QVscribe training session. In this video, I'll be looking at the reporting functions within QVscribe. So let's jump right in. To generate a report, click on the Generate Report button at the bottom of the analysis pane. A window will appear for you to set the location and file name of the analysis report, as well as configure how the report should present the analysis results. Once your settings are set, press Create. I would like to mention that to maintain the integrity of the report, it is only available in PDF format. Within a full document report, on the first page we have document title, analysis date, the configuration used, and the total number of analyzed requirements. Up next, we have score summary detailing the number of requirements within each score. Next, we have the analysis breakdown for each quality indicator and how many requirements had issues with it. Then we have the list of individual requirements with their corresponding scores, terminology highlighting, and analysis details. Then we have both unit and term consistency showing the issues that were presented, abbreviations, and the number of requirements associated with the found issue. Next is a list of all the terms found within the document. And scrolling a bit further, we have the summary of the similarity and analysis. Now we have come to the final portion of the report, the configuration used to analyze the document. That ends this session, but for those with configuration access, stay tuned as this will be our next topic of discussion.